Head over to the website gemini.google.com. Here write the prompt. You can find this prompt in the description below. Here we need to select tools, click on canvas and then submit. This is the code of interactive quiz. As you can see, Gemini has created interactive quiz. Let's try it. You can also share this quiz via WhatsApp or email as well. Click it here. Link copied. Here share the quiz. When someone click there, user can also give a quiz. If you want to make a quiz from a PDF document, then simply write this prompt. You can find this prompt in the description below. Attach the file. After that, click on tools. Here we need to select canvas and then submit. As you can see, the quiz has generated. Click on start the quiz. Here you can see the interactive quiz. Here you can see the result as well. Here you can share with other person as well. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.